Okay, so we're ready to go. We're off today to see the kids. So this is the day. It's gonna be so much fun. Join us for this trip. May hiking na naman kami na gagawin. It was a good, very good day yesterday. Very adventurous trek at Tapia Falls here in Ifugao. Now, the main event of this visit to Ifugao is to see the kids and distribute the school supplies to the elementary school here. I'm glad to be a part of this. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Hiking na naman. Paved road at last. Yan yung Bangaan Village naman. Yan, ayan, kitang-kita na siya.
Green na green.
Ayun,
Ang taas ng wave.
kita mo, Mer, no? Ganda. Ang Anaba Elementary on the way na rin siya. That's bad. Let's go!
Si Ron, kasama siya.
Ay, si Teacher Yani na lang. Ay!
Sayang.
Ayun. Lakad na lang.
Ikaw yung nauna pabalik, di ba? Ayaw mo to.
morning! Sinong grade 2? Walang may grade 2 dyan?
Good morning! Alright, ngayon sa tabi nyo, sabihin nyo, good morning. Kaya dapat gano'n yung kagaya na sa natin. Good morning. Good morning. Very good. Okay, papalo sila. Alright. Good morning everyone. Ako po si Kuya Pano. Nandito yung naman yung ID ko. Ako po yung Director ng Love Education. And thank you for welcoming us dito sa ating event ngayon. Thank you, Anapa Elementary School. Hi! Kinder! Favorite ko Kinder. Kinder teacher ako sa Maynila. Okay. Grade 2? Grade 3? Grade 4? Love and volunteers?
Hi!
Parents? Anapa Elementary School?
Hello, good morning kids! Ako si Ate Ish. Hello, good morning. Ako si Ate Donna. Hello, good morning. Ako si Ate Jace. Hi! Good morning kids. My name is Ate Cass. Hi! Hello kiddos. My name is Ate Brenda.
We welcome you to Anaba, a home of faithful people. We welcome you to Anaba, the home of faithful people. We will stand by you all together, whether it rains or shine. So welcome, our visitors.
Thank you so much. Gets ka na baka ng ganyan yung eyes nila.
Bago tayo magsimula, gusto lang po namin magpasalamat from Love Education Philippines sa teachers ng Anaba Elementary School sa pagtanggap sa amin. Palakpakan natin sila.
Tulong sa aming barangay, lalo po sa mga bata. So, inulit ko, welcome dito sa barangay Anaba Elementary School. Ito ko lang.
Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. So si pigeon, bawal mag-drive ng bus. Kaya natin ba? Ng bus. Okay? Sino dito gusto mag-drive ng bus? Or kahit kotse? Or kahit motorsiklo? Isa lang. O kayo gusto. Yung mga iba, lalakad lang buong buhay. Okay, sige ha. Lalakad lang tayo. Kinaya mga ate sa kuya nyo ang mountain climbing kahapon. Good luck. Good job, okay, sige. Alright. Nandito yung bus driver at may sinasabi siya sa atin. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while. So can you watch things for me until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Hey, can I drive the bus? Oh, very good. Sige, sabihin niyo ulit. Can you drive the bus? No! Very good. Okay. Please? No! Oh, very good. Alam mo yung trabaho natin. Bawal siya mag-drive ng bus. I'll be careful. Good. I'll tell you what. I'll just steer. Gagamitin niya lang yung pin. Pwede na ba? No! Yung pinsan ko, my pinsan, Herb, he drives a bus almost every day. No. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Pinayagan ba natin?
No.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Can you invite the bus driver in?
Bye. Actually, sustainable. Love education! Yay! 2 points! Galing na, boy!
Bulalakaw.
Go, go, go!
Go, sabi pa. Bubula. Bubula daw. Bubula. Education.
Yeah! Lovely time. Thank you so much. The weather's been cooperative because there's no rain, so we're heading back now. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again next time. Bye!